This conference
Nirupali,
will now be recorded.
are you able to install it? Right. So, hola, Everestas, did you download the software, guys?
This is Everestus. Sorry, they just sent me the 6 files that I'm working on downloading. They just sent it to me about 5 minutes ago. So I guess I have to download the 6 files first and then contact them again to have someone actually download the QTP.
Yeah, that's what
So
they
I'm
messaged me.
still
That's what.
not, I guess I still really can't, yeah.
See, that's what they said. Okay, they send links. After you have to download. After downloading, just try to contact with them. They will do. That is the same thing they messaged me. Okay, I have sent the link. They need to download. After that, I will do the process like that. Okay.
Yeah, this is Cam. Yeah, this is Cam. So me
Mm.
too. They sent me the file, but I've been downloading it, but it's not opening. So
See, actually, you have to contact with them.
I
Okay,
did.
download it.
I call
Download
Mac
it. That's
back.
it. Okay,
Huh?
download it. That's it. First of all, download it. Don't execute that one. Okay, you have to unzip those ones. Little process is there. Okay, so first download and try to contact with them. They will come to online and install it to you.
Okay.
Okay, so even I will message right now. Ken is so yeah. I put a message. Please respond like that. So try to contact Ken. They will respond after that. Okay. So right, Ola, did you? Okay.
Yes,
So
we
let's
just
see.
finished.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, let's see here. So guys, in the last session where we are in, പിന്നീട് എടുക്കാം.
We were in the virtual box trying to open up the QTP and recording it, typing it, adding
Okay.
and deletion.
So yesterday did we done with recording and run settings?
Yes,
So recording and run settings also I explained you. I hope no, I did not explain you. Recording and run settings. So you know already how to open the QTP, guys. First Oracle virtual box is there na. So just open that one and click on start. Okay. So once you click on start, it will be opening. So yesterday we discussed until QTP of parts, I think, active screen tools option. This is only we discussed, right? Right or not, guys? We are not discussed recording and on settings. I remember this one. What do you think?
yes.
So let's see here. Okay, before going to discuss, guys, can you please tell me what are the drawback of manual?
Takes too much time.
Time consuming, human error, costly. Got it.
And the documentation, like it stores at a local server of the company.
See, drawbacks means as we discussed, right? It take time consuming, tester mistake, more number of people, and regression testing. We may do same task again and again in perfect manner, right? So let's discuss about recording and run settings. Okay, so please observe what do you mean by recording and run settings, guys. If you want to perform any new test on QTP, it's compulsory we need to give recording and run settings. Okay, it's compulsory we need to give recording and run settings, right?
Yes.
So please observe here. What is the navigation? See, complete navigations and everything I maintain in my class notes. Okay, so go to resources, select recording and run settings. Okay, so let's see here. Let me take a new text. What is the navigation? Go to automation, select recording and run settings. So what is this recording and run settings? So here we having two options, web, Windows. If you are working with web-based application, you have to choose this one, right? If you're working with Windows-based application, you have to choose this one. Right now I'm working with this right application. Guys, can you tell me it is web-based or Windows-based application?
Right now look like a web base.
No. Web means what? It is opening through browser, like YouTube. We are opening through browser, right?
Got it.
So Facebook, Gmail. So these are all web-based application. Okay, it's installed in desktop means Windows-based application. The flight application is installed in desktop, right? This is a Windows-based application. Okay, so Windows-based application. Got it?
Yes, it says also window application.
Okay. Next, Windows-based application, right? So let me choose this Windows application. Again, here we're having two options. Record and run test on any, okay, open window based application. Okay, so recording and run on any open window based application. Second one is recording and run only on application opened by quick test. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, so what is this? So what is this recording and run test on any open window based application? What do you mean by recording and run only on means? See, if you want to hit the record button or run button, you have to open the application. Okay. So if you want to hit the record button or run button, you need to do that, right? Right. So let's see here. Record and run test only on any open window based application. What do you mean by open window based? Like this, before going to hit the record button or run button, you have to open the application like this. Okay, select first option, apply and OK. So let's see here, before going to hit the record button, you have to open the application like this. Hit it. And what actions we are performing? See, I'm just entering Sirisha. So what actions we are performing on the application? That related script, you can see guys, that related VB script is automatically generated. We no need to write anything guys here. We are just hitting the recording button. Automatically what actions we are performing, all the script lines will get generated. You can see here I just entered password, clicked on OK button. Password related, OK button related script is generated automatically. Okay. Password, OK button related script is generated automatically. Then close this one, that is also generated, then stop it. Okay, like that. So if you want to hit the run button, also you have to open the application. Why? Because you are choosing that option, recording and run only on application opened by quick test, right? So open the application and hit the run button. When you hit the run button, what happened? All the script lines will get executed. What we are entered Sirisha password, right? All those are executed. So all the script lines will get executed. No. Okay. All the script lines will get executed. Next. Right. Next. So just see here. Okay. All the script line will get executed. Right or no? Next. This is what about first option, guys. That is first option. So let me go ahead with the second option. What is the second option? Second option means go to the insert. So let me take a new test. So go to the automation, select recording and run settings, right? So first option, Windows application, first option we discussed, right? What is the first option? Before going to hit the record button, run button, we need to open the application, right? What is the second option means? You can see when you click second option, application opened by quick test. So quick test is automatically opens the application. Okay. So application opened by quick test, right? So you can see if you want to do means application specify below. So how quick test is going to open means hmm. So here the path of the application you have to specify below. How to get the path actually? See here in a flight application, go to the properties. Copy. Copy this one. Okay. So once again, I'm letting you know application is there, right? So right click under that, go to properties. This is the path. Copy that path. Okay. Copy this path. So here plus symbol is there now. So remove that one and paste it here. And even though here it is also. Okay. And here it is also. Like that we need to paste it. Okay. See, all these things are coming up, apply and okay. So did I open the application right now? No, right? I'm directly hitting the record button. See, once we hit the record button, automatical application is open, right or not? So it's a, once we enter the agent name, so that related script is generated. Okay, click on OK button. Like whatever the actions we are performing, that related script is generated, right? So go ahead. And then close this one. And then stop it. Okay, close this and stop it. So if you want to hit the run button, then what we need to do, guys? Same thing. You don't need to open the application. Okay, so hit the run button. Application is opening automatically and it is executed.
So it's going to open the application and give you a summary, result summary.
Okay. So once you hit the run button, what happen? All the script lines will get executed. Okay. So these are how the work will be processed. Got it, guys? All the script lines will get executed. Okay. So this is what about recording and settings. So once you hit the record button, what happens here? Whatever the actions you are performing, that related script is generated, or for every user action, that related script is generated, right? So once you hit the run button, all the script lines will get executed, right? So okay, stop means what? When you hit the recording and running, then only stop button is enabled. See, right now stop button is not enabled. When I hit the run button, see, right now stop button is enabled. Why? Because to stop the process, to stop the recording, to stop the running, right, we need to do like this, right? Got it clear? Okay, this is what
Yes.
about. So this is what about recording and run settings, guys. Are you clear? Now we are going to discuss about object repository. It's very, very important concept. Okay, so very important concept, object repository. Okay, so yeah, let's discuss about object repository. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. Just 2 minutes, please. Sorry for that, guys. Really sorry for that breaking. Okay, so now see, observe here. Object repository. What is object repository? It is a storage location where complete object related information. Okay, it's a storage location where complete object related information. Okay, so it's a storage location where complete related object information means what properties and values will be stored. Okay, so complete information means what, properties and values means what, like objects, right, will be stored. It will act as the interface between application and QTP. It will act as the interface between application and QTP. Okay, so please observe. It will act as the interface between application and QTP. Okay, see. Storage location where complete object related information, properties and values will be stored. Okay, so complete object related information, properties and values will be stored, right? So let's see here. So properties and values will be stored, right? So let's see here. It will act as interface between application and QTP. Okay, so I will show you practically, then you can understand more easily, guys. Okay, so what is the navigation? Go to resources, select object repository. Okay, let's see here. So let me take, so go to the resources, select object repository. So when you click the object repository, already script is generated, right? These related properties and values will be there, will be available under that object repository right now. Okay, check it out. Okay, you can see here in this point of time, information is there, right? Okay, so when I take a new test, all the information from the object repository also gone. Why? Because there is no script, right? There is no information. So you can see here what is object repository means what. Once I hit the record button, I'm choosing first option. Okay, that's what I opened the application. Whatever the actions you are performing, for example, I just entered age and name information. Okay, see that related script is generated, and you can see that age and name related information is automatically stored in the object repository, right? So when I entered password, clicked on OK button. See, password and OK script is there, and password and OK object information, properties and values will be stored in the object repository. Maybe you are observing. Okay, store. Then close this one, and then stop it. So that script is generated. Close flight reservation is like this. Whatever the actions we are performing, that related script is generated. That object related information is automatically stored under object repository, right? So let's see here. Okay, So once you hit the run button, what happened, guys? All the script lines will get executed. How? With the help of this object repository information only it will get executed. Without any information in the object repository, it will never works. Okay? Without any information in the object repository, it will never works. Got it? Okay. So see, once I hit the run button, all these script lines will get executed. Check it out. Right or not? How it will be executed? With the help of this object repository only it will get executed. Without any information in the object repository, it will never work. Let me explain. That is also okay. What I say, I'm going to delete the information from. See, I'm not deleting OK button related script. The script is there here. Okay, I'm only going to delete OK from the object repository. So guys, do you think it is executing right now? It will execute. Let's see here. Hit the run button and see this one and tell me what happened. What is this math? What is this information? And tell me what happened here. What do you understand?
So in the script, the OK instruction not found.
What it did from the repository, we delete that. That's why we got this message. But on the scripting is there. All right.
It means that whatever we will delete, it will be deleted from the server. I mean, from the where the all this data is saved.
Object repository.
Yeah, object is.
So the only action
It
she
will
did,
not
she
execute.
deleted from the.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what do you understand here? Tell me.
It's not in the repository, object repository
That's
anymore before
clearly,
because we
yes,
deleted.
that's clearly mentioned. It's under agent name. Agent name is executed, password is executed, but when you're trying to click on OK button, the OK win button object was not found in the object repository. That's what I told you. Without any information in the object repository, it will never works. Okay?
So
So,
who put those information in object repository? Developer
object, tell me, who put?
on the object repository. Who put all the information there? Script developer.
Who put information? Which information?
The OK button, agent, password. When you open the object repository, we saw
There.
that.
It will automatically.
Automatically generated. That's what I show it to you
Okay.
right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever, once we hit the record button, automatically it will just generate it. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so let's see.
ID card should be compulsory.
Okay, right.
Sorry, sure. Question.
Yeah,
So it was giving you that error because Sarisha was never in the repository. That's why.
see, it will okay when button was not there in the object repository, right? It says
True.
why?
That's what I'm saying.
Because
In short, your
hmm,
name Sarisha was not there. That's why we got the error, right? That's why I want to understand.
no. Okay button.
OK
See,
is
if you
not
want to
there.
click if you want to click the OK button, okay, that script should be there. That OK button related objects, properties, and values should be there in object repository. Then only it will be performed. The script is there. But there is no
No,
okay
yeah.
but information in the object repository. Without any information in the object repository, it will never work. It's not clicked. Whether it is my name is there or not, that is secondary. But it's not performing operation. Okay button is not at all clicked.
Okay, makes sense, because I was more concerned about you are putting the username which was not exist. That's why you are getting this error. So it's
No,
not
no, no.
about
It's not.
the username.
If
Okay.
it is not exist means it should throw a error message. But here what happened? It's not performed the action. Action is not performed. Okay, that's the
So
problem.
cancel
That's the
and help is also not available there, so it will not execute, right?
see, cancel we are not recorded. If it is there, if the
Mhm.
information is not there in the object repository means it will be throwing a message. But here, cancel we are not recorded. No, it's not there.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
It is
so
not
that's what.
in the script right now.
Yeah, we are not recorded, right? If we recorded, then object information is not there means it will, right? But here
Okay,
it's
got
not
it.
at all recorded. So there is no, we no need to talk. Okay, here the problem is, oh, the script is there here, but the information is not there here, object repository. That's what it is not executed. That's what it's an you can see here. Well, once I open the application, hit the run button. It's entered agent name perfectly. Why? Because script is there, that object information is there, right? Oh, password it is entered. Why? Because script is there, password information is there. But okay button script is there, but see that information is not there.
So if
Okay,
you
that
record
is
it
the
again,
reason.
if you record it again or scripting, it definitely will show up in the repository, right?
Whatever. Once you hit the record button, that related information automatically coming up. Okay, so
Right.
no
So this is
issue.
what I understand. This is what I understand. Anything you recorded, it'll generate it on the object
Automatically.
repository automatically.
Yes, yes. Anything you
All
recorded
right. All
automatically
right.
it
Next
will
step.
generate.
Good. Good.
Okay. So now, so that is the first one. Second one is what? I will let you know what is the object information. For example, if you reach an object, what is the properties and values? I'm saying properties and values will be stored, right? So what do you mean by properties and values? For example, if you take name is a Sirisha. Okay, so name is a property. What is my name? Sirisha. That is the value, right? Okay, guys, I have a very important call. Can you please stay for 5 minutes? Really sorry for that.
Forum, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
So when she copied the path from the, when she right click on the flight and she copied the path, right? Where did
Mhm.
she paste it in a record and run setting? In there is a two. Where did she paste it?
So she pasted in the same record and run setting,
Okay,
and there is a second tab called window application,
okay,
and then the second radio button.
okay.
And if you see there is a plus sign, application
Ah,
detail.
so which one you deleting? You putting in a program and an argument?
No, no, I'm not deleting it. This is adding the path.
Okay, so where you adding it
So
then?
you see the plus button in application detail.
Application, like next to, yeah, three dot, yeah.
Yes. So you plus and then you copy paste the link here, or you can
No, no,
just
no, no,
click on
no,
three
no,
dot
hold on,
and
hold on, hold on. So when I click on the, when I click on that plus sign, right? So
Mhm.
there is another application open. It's called the application detail. So there is the application working folder and
Yeah,
program argument.
yeah.
Sorry
So
for
where you
that.
pasting?
Really sorry for
Sorry,
that.
Saisha, can you please go back to the automation?
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry, just interrupting. Okay, can you click bring the screen a little bit in the middle so I can see that? Can you click on the automation? Close this thing. Click on the automation.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And where is the screen? Okay. Can you bring it in the right side so I can see that? Okay. So close this one.
Which one?
The one it says object repository or minimize it, whatever. I just want to see where did you paste the link from the flight that you copy.
Just talking about the path that you paste. Where did you paste the path?
Can you click on the
Path.
automation? Can you
Right
click on the
now,
automation?
right now I did not paste the path, I think. Let me show you one more time, maybe you will get confusion. So I just
The
Yes.
close
previous step.
the. So let me take it. Okay, you are talking about what? Which step? Without knowing that step, how I can able?
Can you click
Recording
on
and
the
run settings you are talking. One second. Recording and run setting you are talking about.
yes.
See, if you are discussing about the recording and unsetting, then you have to tell me why. Because I was thinking that object repository we are doing. I was thinking that only. So you need to tell me. So I want to discuss about this recording and unsettings like that. Okay. So I was thinking, where is the path? I am not using any path here like that. See, go to the application now. Go to
Mm-hmm.
the, see, I just put it here. Application, right click. Just right
Mm-hmm.
click. Go to the properties. This is the
Mm-hmm.
path.
I got the path copy. Okay.
Okay. So here you need to paste it. Where go to the recording and run settings, plus symbol is there, no, you have to paste it here, okay.
Oh, right where the plus sign was. Okay. So when
Plus
plus
sign.
sign open up, you paste it. Good. Good, 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 good.
See guys, everything don't practice right now, just listen to me, and after finishing
Okay.
prepare in your home, right, one or two times, just see the recording file. That is the advantages of recording files, okay. So you have to practice. If I am explaining you, if you're practicing, means you can't able to put concentration on the next concept, object repository concept, you lost it,
No, the question
okay.
was when you,
Okay.
Sarisha, when you click on the
Ah,
plus button, when you click on the
ah.
plus button, there was another window. They have a three links, so I was afraid to delete one of them. Do I need to delete any of the link and paste
No,
it?
actually, these are also the same link. Okay, even though you can use that same link, but I'm just explaining you in general in the real time how we are doing. So we need to paste it. That's it.
Okay.
We
Okay.
need to
So you
paste
said, see, you can
this
you
thing.
can delete everything. You can see. I am deleting. You can see. You can delete everything usually. Okay.
Okay, now makes sense. Now makes sense. Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Okay.
So this path was already there.
Ah, that is already by default. It is there
Okay.
actually. But in real time, you need to face. No, that's what I explain you. Okay.
But Nadeem, do you
Very good.
understand the
Very good.
purpose of pasting the path?
Yes,
Right.
because I
Nadeem,
think in the real time we will be providing the path, so we have to paste it. That's what I was confused about. Like, what am
the,
I deleting within pasting it?
Guys,
the
one
purpose.
thing I am explaining you. See, 1 second. Today's concept, okay, you just after finishing the class, just practice. Okay, whatever the doubts you're having, tomorrow morning you just ask me. Okay, so it will be correct. Why? Because if I explain you, you can get 1 point you did not write. So go through the recording file one more time and practice it. And whatever the doubts you're having, you can ask me in the next session. That will be perfect. So I will clarify whatever the doubts you're having. Okay. So if I am explaining you, if you're trying to see the means, you can little deviating from this topic, whatever right now we are running. Okay. So don't do like, just focus on the topic right now. Object repository. Okay. So let's see here. Object repository. What is the navigation? Go to resources. Object repository. Right, guys? So here, what actions we are performing on the application? You can see here. Once I hit the record button, what actions, even if you're moving, that is also generated, guys. Okay, so Sirisha in the agent name, right? That agent name information is coming up. Mercury. So password. Okay, click on OK button. That password and OK script is generated here, and the password and OK button information is automatically stored under object repository. Okay, so then I'm going to close this one. Okay, whatever the actions you are performing on the application, that related script is generated. Okay, once you hit the run button, how these things will get executed with the help of this repository? The script must be there, that repository information must be there. With the help of these two only, it will get executed. So once you hit the run button, see, all these things are executed perfectly. Okay, see here. As I told you earlier, without any information in the object repository, it will never work. I told you, I show it to you already. When I removing OK button, it's not executed, right? So that's what. Without any information, water bottle, కొన్ని bags, books లో bag మొత్తం సెట్ చేసుకో. రోజు చెప్పరు సార్, వన్ బై వన్ చేసుకో. స్నాక్స్ బాక్స్ కూడా సర్దుకో. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, now first of all, we are saying properties and values are storing. Okay, what do you mean by properties and values? Okay,
Name.
so for information about that particular object, for example, we are connected with link, guys, right? How you can able to identify whether I am there or not in the link? How you can able to identify whether I am there or not in the link?
If your name there, your photo there.
Yeah, tell me.
The only way I can know if your name there, your picture there, you logged in, you invite.
See, right, name is a property. My name is Sirisha, right? That is a value. Address is property. What is the address? Sirisha is a value. Like the information about that particular one, we can say it as the properties and values, right? So please observe, there is two types of object repositories. See, per action object repository or local object repository. Second one is shared object repository. Okay, second one is shared object repository. So what do you mean by per action object repository? What do you mean by shared object repository? Means what? Right now what we did, that is nothing but per action. Let me take a new test. So per action means what actions we are performing once you hit the record button. As per the action we are performing on the application. Per action means what? Okay, that script is generated, that object related information is automatically stored. This is called per action object repository. That is per action object report. Let's close this one. That is also generated, right? Then stop it. So as per the actions we are performing on the application, it will be. And actually you can save this object information for future purpose use. How means? See here, go to file, export local objects, export local objects. Okay, where I want to save? In a desktop I want to save it as a 7 a.m. Okay, save it. Okay, so now right, you can see here you can save that information, right? So this is first way. Whatever the action, per action means what? Once we hit the record button, Whatever the actions we are performing, the related script is generated, that object related information is automatically stored, right? Now that is called per action object repository. That is called per action object repository. Okay, so next, now shared object repository. What do you mean by shared object repository, guys?
Whatever action you did, everyone else can, if you give access, they can share, they can look at it.
Mm.
Could be.
See, shared means what? If there is no information in the object repository. Okay, if in case if there is no information in the object repository, okay, see, so if there is no information in the object repository, what we need to do? We need to associate repositories. So when we are means, whenever we are trying to write the script manually, on that time there is no information, right? Once we hit the record button, the script is generated, right? For in future, we will learn how to write the script manually. Okay, so whenever I am trying to write the script, see, in future we will learn. If I'm trying to write the script manually, guys, okay, is there any information here? When I
No,
hit
because
the run button, do you think it is executed?
you got to record it.
Do you think it is executed?
No.
It's not, right? So why? Because what is the information? The login object was not found in the object repository, it says. Okay, the login object was not found in the object repository, it says. Okay, so let's see here. Why? Because there is no information in the object repository. You know already, without any information in the object repository, it will never works. It will never works. Right. So we need to associate. How means the complete navigation is there in my class notes, guys. You can observe. Complete navigation is there in my class notes. Okay. So how to associate? Go to the resources, select object, repositories. Go to the resources, select object. Sorry. Go to the resources, associate repositories. We need to associate, right? Plus symbol is there, no? Click the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol. See. So earlier we saved, right? I just opened that one. Associate. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to hit the run button. So right now, do you think it is executed? Yes, right? Okay, so this is what about associate repositories. Okay, and so how to associate everything, the class notes I provide the navigation, guys. Next, overview of object repository. We can add the objects. Okay, we can add the objects. We can delete the objects. We can rename the objects. Yes, of course, we can add it. We can delete it. We can rename it. How means? So go to object, so open the application. I want to add the objects. Add objects to local. Okay. So I want to add hand icon is then I want to add cancel button. Click on cancel button. Okay. That cancel button object is added here. That cancel button object is added here.
But I thought if you put on the script, if you click on cancel button and record, it should
Of course,
populate over there.
if you're performing cancel button, it will be populate. But if you want to add the objects, I'm saying,
Got it.
okay,
Got it.
yes, you can able to add the objects,
Got it.
right?
Yeah. I was
Sarisha,
just understanding the concept.
Huh?
can you show the add object one more time? Like where did you go to add object?
Sure, sure. Go to objects, add objects to local.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
got it.
so which object you want to add? See, help button I want to add. Click on help button. Okay, so okay, it
Right
will be
thing,
generated.
then got it.
Okay, so you can
Perfect.
rename it if you want. For example,
Okay,
if you
got it.
want to rename it, you can rename it. And if you want to delete it, means you can delete it like that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how the work will be processed. Got
When
it?
we will add or delete, this will not show up in the script.
Ah,
Of course, because you're not recording. You won't.
Ah, okay. Okay, thank you.
Scripting is one application. You could do anything. It are automatically generated on the object repository. But she's showing us by bypassing it, you can add or delete on object repository anything you want. Go to the add
Okay,
and then right.
right. Good. Thank you.
right. So this is how the work will be processed, right? So this is what about you
Perfect.
can delete it, you can rename it like that. You can do whatever the modifications you want. Next, so this is what about guys. Next tomorrow we'll discuss about object identification concept. Okay. So thank you so much. Let's meet back on tomorrow at same time, guys. Practice it,
Thank you very much.
practice
One,
well.
one more thing. We haven't got any recorded yet. We only last one we got on the 25th. So we need like 3 or 4 days update, please.
Sure.
I mean,
25th.
Thank you.
I have just
No,
checked. The Google Drive is updated.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
yes,
Perfect.
And now
I
that will be the
sent.
great if we can have today's session immediately after this class will be updated, then it will really help us.
See, really sorry for that. The recordings are not there with me. Yeah, that's the problem. So they need to send it to me, and I need to forward it to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
The best.
that's okay. Then
Okay,
thank you
thank
so
you.
much. Have a great day.